When it comes to improving your home's comfort and lowering utility bills, one of the most effective upgrades you can make is installing energy-efficient windows. For homeowners in Metairie, Louisiana, this change offers a multitude of benefits, from enhanced comfort to long-term savings and environmental impact. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading an existing one, energy-efficient windows are an investment that can significantly improve your living experience. Reducing energy bills. The most immediate benefit of energy-efficient windows is the potential for significant savings on your energy bills. In Metairie, the weather can be intense, with hot, humid summers and mild winters. Energy-efficient windows are designed to keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter by reducing the transfer of heat through the glass. These windows feature special coatings and insulation that help regulate indoor temperatures, which means your air conditioning and heating systems don't have to work as hard. Over time, this can result in noticeable savings on your electricity and heating bills. Enhanced comfort throughout the year. One of the most frustrating things about living in a home with traditional windows is the uneven temperature distribution. During the summer months, areas of your home can become uncomfortably hot, while in the winter, cold drafts can make certain rooms feel chilly. Energy-efficient windows, however, offer better insulation and tighter seals, which helps to maintain a consistent temperature throughout your home. Whether it's the peak of summer or the chill of winter, energy-efficient windows can create a more comfortable living environment by reducing drafts and heat loss. UV protection for your interiors. In Metairie, the sun can be particularly intense, and UV rays can wreak havoc on your interior furnishings. Over time, the sun's ultraviolet rays can cause furniture, carpets, and drapes to fade, diminishing their beauty and lifespan. Energy-efficient windows often come with special coatings designed to block harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light to enter. This not only helps protect your belongings from fading but also reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, making your home more energy efficient overall. Reducing environmental impact. As climate change becomes an increasingly important issue, more homeowners are looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint. Installing energy-efficient windows is an effective way to make a positive environmental impact. By improving the energy efficiency of your home, you reduce the amount of energy required to heat and cool it. This, in turn, lowers greenhouse gas emissions from power plants. For those who are eco-conscious and want to live more sustainably, energy-efficient windows offer a simple yet powerful solution to help reduce overall energy consumption and contribute to a greener future. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Metairie, like many urban areas, can experience high levels of noise from traffic, neighbors, or local events. Traditional windows often fail to provide sufficient sound insulation, allowing external noise to disrupt your peace. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce the transfer of noise, offering a more tranquil indoor environment. This feature is especially valuable for families, professionals working from home, or anyone seeking a peaceful retreat from the outside world. With better noise insulation, you can enjoy a quieter and more serene home. Increased home value. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can also increase the value of your home. Prospective buyers are increasingly interested in homes that offer energy-efficient features, and windows are one of the key areas they consider. By installing energy-efficient windows, you can make your home more attractive to potential buyers while also enjoying the financial benefits in the long term. This upgrade is considered a high-return home improvement project that can pay off when it's time to sell your property. Government rebates and incentives. Another great reason to consider installing energy-efficient windows in Metairie is the potential for financial incentives. Many federal, state, and local programs offer rebates, tax credits, or other incentives for homeowners who make energy-efficient upgrades. By taking advantage of these programs, you can reduce the upfront cost of your window replacement and enjoy a faster return on your investment. Conclusion. In conclusion, installing energy-efficient windows in your Metairie home offers numerous benefits that can improve both your lifestyle and your financial well-being. From saving money on energy bills and enhancing indoor comfort to reducing environmental impact and increasing home value, the advantages are clear. Whether you're motivated by cost savings, sustainability, or comfort, energy-efficient windows are a smart investment that will pay off for years to come.